Welcome to Mishna study. Masechet Shekalim, Perek Aleph, Mishna Zayin. Over here, let's Mishna this first Perek. What is the value of the Kolbon? So, Ashokel al-yadeh ani, al-yadeh shecheno, al-yadeh ben iro, patur. The person is giving for a poor person, he's giving a mahatzita shekel for his neighbor, for someone in his city, right? He's patur, right? Because he's laying it out for them. B'midvam hayav. But if he's lending it to them, and he's doing it on behalf of one of them guys and paying back, then he's going to be hayav, obligated in the Kolbon. Right, brothers and partners, when they're obligated in the kolbon, they're going to be patur from ma'aser behema. But when they're obligated in ma'aser behema, they're going to be patur from the kolbon. So in general, a person is only obligated in ma'aser behema for animals that are born in his when the animal's in his property. If he buys an animal, right, buys newborn animals, he's going to be patur. He doesn't have to give ma'aser from the behema. But animals that are born in his possession, right, if I had 10 sheep that were born to me just now this year, then I would have to give one as ma'aser behema. Now, for the second statement, right, when we're patur from the kolbon, so when would this be? Well, let's say dad left us inheritance and we didn't split it up yet. So we're considered all taking from that same pot. We're all partners in that same thing. So we're going to be patur from the kolbon if we're both giving from there, right? We're going to be patur from the kolbon, and we'll be obligated in ma'aser behema, right? Similarly, because we're patur from the kolbon, we're going to be obligated in ma'aser behema because all animals that are being born right now are being shared, right, from that inheritance. But once we split up, right, we split up that partnership. Now, no longer are we partners anymore. I bought your share, you bought my share in the animals, right? So now we're not going to be obligated in ma'aser behema because it's animals that are bought as opposed to ones that were born to us. So we're going to be patur from ma'aser behema, and we'll be obligated in the kolbon, right? Because when we're patur from ma'aser behema, we're obligated in the kolbon because now it's also totally split. Now, kama hua kolbon, right? Well, how much is the kolbon? What's the value? Ma'ah kesef dirve Rabbi Meir, right? Rabbi Meir says it's one ma'ah of silver, right? This comes out to a 12th of a mahatzita shekel, right? Which comes out to a 24th of a selah, and this weighs out at 16 grains of barley. That would be the weight. Hamim will say half of that, right? Meaning half a ma'ah, right? So what does that come out to? It comes out to 8 grains, right? Grains of silver. Sorry, you gotta get a silver, right? Great grains of barley valued at the transferred to the weight of silver. Halacha is like hachamim, right? That this comes out to half of the amount. It comes out to a 48th, right? 48th of the selah, right? So it comes out to actually a 20, right? So it comes out to a 24th of the mahatzita shekel, right? So not like I said in last Mishnah, comes out to a 24th of mahatzita shekel. So if the mahatzita shekel was 6 1/4, right, this would come out to about divided by 24, right? About 26 cents, right? That's what it would come out to according to Hachamim, and Halacha is like Hachamim.